Sophia and the Parrot Parade, exploring enchantment.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house nestled among tall trees and blooming flowers, lived a curious little girl named Sophia. Sophia was just 2 years old, but her curiosity was as boundless as the sky itself. Sophia's home was full of amazing toys. She had all sorts of toys in her room, but she really loved birds. Her parrot dolls, with their bright feathers and shiny eyes, were her absolute favorites. They seemed like magic to her. On a sunny morning, while Sophia played with her parrot dolls, something incredible occurred. The dolls suddenly started to spin and dance, their feathers shining in many colors. Sophia's eyes grew wide with amazement as she saw a soft mist swirling around her. Suddenly, Sophia and her parrot dolls found themselves in a magical place. The trees shone with shiny leaves, and streams giggled like bells. The air smelled like adventure, and everything seemed wondrous. Trees sang, flowers whispered, and the sky was filled with colors they'd never seen before. It was a truly amazing world. Excited and giggling, Sophia happily skipped with her parrot dolls fluttering nearby. They flew gracefully, chatting in their sweet voices, leading her through this magical place. The magical world was full of amazing things. Animals chatted about far-off places, and colorful butterflies made rainbows in the sky. Every step was a new adventure, and Sophia's eyes shined with happiness. As they kept going in the magical land, Sophia and her parrot buddies found a bushy area. In there, they found a lost bunny with messy white fur full of twigs and leaves. With soft words and gentle sounds, they helped the bunny through the bushes, guiding it back to its cozy home where its worried family waited. Among old trees that whispered, Sophia and her parrot pals found riddles carved into the bark. Each riddle showed the way for their journey. Using smart ideas and a bit of fun, they solved the tricky messages. The trees shimmered happily, showing hidden paths and secrets of the magical place. In a sunny open space filled with colorful flowers, playful fairies danced around, their laughter sounding like bells. Sophia and her parrot buddies joined their fun, playing hide-and-seek among the petals. The fairies' laughter echoed around, making Sophia's heart happy and warm. Each meeting in this special place helped solve the mysteries of the magical world and made Sophia and her parrot friends even closer. With happy memories in her heart and a smile on her face, Sophia hugged her parrot dolls tight, cherishing the amazing stories from her adventure. After that day, she knew that magic was always close for those who dared to dream and explore. At bedtime, Sophia would close her eyes, smile, and feel the magical world and her parrot friends as a wonderful part of her curious and delightful soul.
The end.